Hello everyone. 9 the power 9 divided by 4 the whole power 9 the power 4. Now solution for this question. Simplify this equation. 9 the power 4 means 3 square, 4 means 2 square. The whole power 9 the power 4. Now 3 by 2 square 2 common 9 the power 4. 3 by 2 2 divided by 4 9 the power 2. 3 by 2 the power 3 by 2 9 means 4 plus 5 divided by 2. Now 3 by 2 3 by 2 4 by 2 means 2 5 the power 2. A the power a key power m plus n equal to a key power dot a key power n. Now 3 by 2 का whole square 3 by 2 की 5 the power 2. Now 3 by 2 का whole square 9 divided by 4 3 by 2 की power 5 by 2. Now as it is 9 by 4 3 by 2 की whole power 5 4 plus 1 divided by 2. 4 plus 1 divided by 2. Now solution for this 9 multiply 4 3 by 2 the power 4 divided by 2 same equation 3 by 2 का whole square 3 by 2 under root 1 by 2. तो 3 by 2 का whole square 9 dot 9 by 4 3 by 2 means 3 by 2 under root 1 by 2 means under root 3 by 2. 9 81 divided by 16 the power 3 by under root 2. Now both side we under root 2 up and down. Now 81 divided by 16 under root 6 under root multiply under root 2. So now our right answer is 81 divided by 32 under root 6 our right answer. 81 under root 6 divided by 32 our right answer. Everyone understand? If you understand, please like, share or subscribe our channel.